All right, good afternoon, guys. Today we're here on an afternoon session. I was waiting for the afternoon. I had a few things to do in the morning, but also the tide was going out. You can see it's really low tide right now, guys. And it's gonna be incoming tide the rest of the day. So that's it, you know, just wanted to wait for the tide. Today is to find some snook, specifically snook. Always to get the slam, but to find some bigger snook today. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Water's up now. I have really shallow water. And again, with the winter coming, you gotta learn how to manipulate this if you've only been on a Hobie. I'm not great at it. I know a lot of guys I fished with are much better, but you know, you gotta learn how to maneuver. Use the paddle. Then you lay it on your lap, get a few casts in. I'm going to this new area, guys, during a low tide, so I can see what's there. I can see if there's any holes. I can see pockets. I'll be able to find fish if they're trapped. There's a stingray, guys, right here. All right, guys, we're here because I gotta hide from the damn wind somewhere. Get risky and frisky. There we go. Could have been better, but that's pretty good. Alright. Put this. Oh! Fell asleep. Dang it. Dang it, man. It's okay. That's a snapper. Very windy, guys. Very windy. Very windy. I'm just hiding from it. There's white caps out there earlier. They slowed down now. There's not any. But earlier there was a bunch of white caps. Not happy about that one. Oh, snook. All right. First fish. Snooky on a popping cork with a shrimp. For you guys that were asking, I had a few people asking me about, they use the popping cork, never get anything with it. Well, there you go. Right against the mangrove line, found a snooky there. There we go. Let's get him back in because he is bleeding. There he goes. I'm gonna retie a little bit because snooks, that's what they do. They fray. Well, the knot I always use here is a loop knot. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make a loop. Okay, got the loop there. Put it through whatever you're going to put it through. This in it for this one, it's a hook. Pass it through that loop that you made. 1, 2, and then you pass it through that main loop again. And then you pull on that one. Get rid of that little excess. Get rid of that IP. I don't know how many people are gonna know what that is. Get me? He didn't even get you. Let's see what happens again. Took a hit there, guys. Thought I had him, but Guess I didn't. There he is. Oh shit. Damn. He frayed it right away. Wow. Wow, guys. That's a snook for you. See that? Right away. Frayed. I think that's 25 anyway. Let's switch that out. Pretty good placement there. Got some. We got some over here. Damn. Did you get it? Oh, let it go. Oh man, that was a hit, guys. Yeah, he got me. Shit. I got one. There we go. Got one. What we got here? It's a catfish. Unfortunately, I think it's a cat. Yeah, I know it is. I know it is. I know it's a cat. Oh. Dinky snook. Another dink. Okay, catching some fish. So, I mean, the goal was to find snooks, bigger ones. That's a good sign. Just having a fresh bait right there is the key right now. There he goes. Oh, I missed him. There we go. Came back for it. He came back for it. What do we got here, guys? No jumps. That's still a snook. Another snooky. A little bigger than the last guy, but still small. Snooky. Next one's up. Another one. Got him. There he goes, just bit the shrimp. Little guy. Try. Oh. Alright, so I've been working this area. I've caught about 5 snook here. I stopped giving them shrimp, tried to paddle tail, see if they would eat that. Nothing did. I'm going back to the shrimp, see if they even want that again. Yep, there he is. Oh, I did take a hit. Yep, see? You just spit the shrimp out too. Oh, what'd you do? do anything? No. Just spit the hook. There he is. Slow, slow, slow. You got, oh! I was trying to time it, guys. Because he hadn't ate it. He was just kind of pulling it like that. Now he ate it. Now he ate it. Now he ate it. Yeah, that's the difference. So you got to be patient with the bobber. Just because you see that bobber go down, you don't pull back and set the hook, especially if you're using circle hooks. Just be patient. Patient, patient, patient. Oh, another little guy. You guys will not believe what happened. That bobber is attached to my rod. Took my whole rod, the whole thing. So hopefully I can recover at least the reel or the rod. And this shit is doing the same shit it did last time to me. My goal is to grab that bobber and pull the line and get my rod and reel back. I can't believe that. Wow. Let's see how well this goes. Let's see how well this goes. I don't even know what I have on the line. Okay. That's a snook. So, guys, I'm just going back to get my rod and reel. Am I recording? Yep. Nice and easy so it doesn't break off. Let's see. Oh. Get the fuck out of here, guys. Oh my god, look at this. What in the world happened there? Wow. Alright, so get that fixed in a second. Let's get this snook in. Shit. And we'll rinse this thing off. The best snook of the day too, so far. Wow. All right, let's reset and see what happened here. Let me I got some air. Guys, now I've just moved down maybe about 30-40 yards from where I was catching all those snook to another little side. I mean, this is all part of the hole. There's a little hole that runs along this side that they like. So, seeing if anybody else is there. There's someone. What is this guy? Red, I think. My anchor is not. Oh, black drum. Another black drum, guys. Close to camera. I don't think he is, though. I've been catching these all week. And my anchor's not holding me. was an eater though. Bring that doo-doo in here. Gets a little red. This little red. This guy. How you doing, buddy? There you go. There's the slam. There's the slam. Slam complete. School of trout, guys. Trout. Oh, almost got me. Sorry, buddy. Just got that under. There we go. And what do I get out of it? This feels like a red. Oh, it's a trout. Oh no, it's a red. It's a little red. Oh, the red, guys. There's a hit. There's a hit. There's some hits. There he is. There he is. I got you. I got him. I got him. little red. Got him. Got him. Little snapper. Oof. Man, he's hooked in the weirdest spot right here. Right where I like to grab them. Ugh. Got one. There he is. Catfish. Yuck. All that. A couple reds, and then this guy sneaks in. What are you doing here, putthead? Trout. That's it, calling it a day. Slam complete. Found some snook, not the sizes I wanted, but it's a good indicator when I found, you know, a school of them. So we just gotta maybe come there with big old pinfish or something different to get the bigger ones. We'll see. And that's it. So Matlacha Pass, very windy days, 20 to 25 knot winds from the northwest. They're coming more from the west right now. That's why I'm hiding right here. And that's it. Well, so you guys know what's up. If you guys want to come out here, get on one of these Hobies, or if you have your own kayak, you just want to figure out this area, new to the area, just moved down from up north or from the west or wherever you move from, you got your own kayak, we can accommodate. And if you don't have a kayak, we have plenty of them. So give us a call at 941-999-1365 or go to jupiterskayakfishing.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon.